I'm Joe from Aqualabs. Welcome to a series where we take a look at the key ingredients that make our products work so well.
Today's product is Shogun Zenzym. It's no surprise to find out that enzymes are the key workhorses in Shogun Zenzym. Enzymes are organic molecules which have biological activity and essentially work as catalysts. Enzymes keep the root zone healthy, prevent the purification of dead cells within the tank, and help the bioavailability of essential elements as they help unblock the channels within the roots. They don't take part in the reaction, they speed them up. Here are 3 enzymes found in Zenzym and how they work. Cellulase. Cellulase breaks down cellulose and the starchy material in plant matter by a process known as hydrolysis. Glucose or other sugars are produced as a result. Xylanase. Xylanase breaks down one of the major components of plant cell walls, polysaccharide xylan, and converts it into xylose. Ferulic acid esterase or hemicellulase. Hemicellulase releases ferulic acid from the cell walls. Ferulic acid aids with cell wall rigidity, acting as a cross-link between the lignins and polysaccharides found in the lignocellulose of plant cell walls. This works best in the presence of xylanase and other enzymes.